Hello there, welcome back to my lessons. Today we're looking at more consonants and vowels to help you with your pronunciation. Here's the first one. Robot. You try. R. So you really put your mouth really tight and then your tongue curls up. R. Voiced. Robot. What's the letter? R. Next one. Upside down. Long legs. Long legs. L. Look at my tongue. L. 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 Crazy caterpillar. Crazy caterpillar. K, k, k. Now, to have that sound, the back of your tongue is at the roof of your mouth, k, and we just blow air. K, k, k. Vowel time. Here's the picture. Umbrella. You try. The sound. It's a vowel, so I do an action. Goes my umbrella. You try with me. Umbrella. Goes my umbrella. If you look, the shape of my arms and my hands is the for umbrella. So there's our new consonants and vowels. Here are some words. I always do some words, and I've put some sound buttons underneath, and we're going to say those sounds together to make a word. My turn. K. Good job. P. P. 3 sounds. K. P. You try saying those sounds as I press the buttons. Well done. 3 sounds. K. P. K. K. P. Cup. 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 That's the first word. Here's the next one. My turn. A. N. You try. Well done. 3 sounds again. A, n. Ma, ma, n. Man. There he is. Man. Now, if I change that vowel sound to another one that you've learnt. E. What's that word now? It hasn't got a, it's got e. Let's try it. E, n. other one there. N, men. Men. One man, two men. Okay, last word. Are you ready? You're doing well. Good. G. G. Your turn. Say the sounds. Well done. Let's try and blend that word together. G. Rug. 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 Sometimes people call that a mat. But other people, I call this a rug. A rug, small piece of carpet. Rug. So that's our lesson on consonants and vowels today in blending. Hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, give it a like. I'd love to read your comments if you have any. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lessons. See you soon. Bye bye.